आत्मा नमस्ते, गॉड्स लव चैनल, शेरिल।
मेरे पास्ट में जो नेगेटिव हुआ है उसकी वजह से मेरे में थोड़ी बहुत रूडनेस या ऐसी कुछ आया है ना, तो आज भी वो मेरे में वो थोड़ा आ जाता है किसी और के साथ बात करने में या किसी और को ट्रस्ट करने में दिक्कत होती है, और उसकी वजह से वो बंदे के साथ भी रूडनेस आती है बात करने में। तो मुझे इसमें आपकी एक तो गाइड चाहिए।
We live a life that whatever I am today is the total of whatever experiences I have had. Yeah, and in my life, naturally when I was a teenager, and naturally being a girl, even nowadays being a boy is a very risky affair. But what can we be? We have only two options or maximum three, and all the three options always have some abuser at bay. You know, they are always there. Just to abuse us in whatever capacity, in molestation happening to any boy, girl, or a eunuch. So everyone has been wrongly touched in their vulnerable times, and it is a natural way of this body, this mind, this heart, that we behave rudely when we are reminded or when we feel that somebody is going to abuse me, even at the age of 95. Yeah, if we have that thought that okay, I will be abused, then we knowingly or unknowingly, this body which has already been abused by someone or some place, it will behave that way. That is a natural response. Yes, you do not have to feel guilty about it. That's the first thing. Secondly, now you understand that nobody can abuse me anymore, right? Because I am not only grown, now I have become an adult, but at the same time I am now being established in my own energies, my own aura, making my aura strong, very strong, so that even if a person tries to misbehave or take me for granted, I do not need to be bitter or something. If I become bitter, no problem, but I now have more confidence how to handle people. Yeah, how to handle abuses, how to handle criticism, how to handle very, very abusive people, verbally abusive people, sexually abusive people. I know how to handle, and bring that in yourself, that I am not a person that anybody can take me for a ride. Yes. So what happens is, if you must have seen young children, small children, very young children, their mothers, in any culture you go, all the mothers are so protective about their child, and they have this negative tinge that somebody will put a black magic on my child. All the time they have that thought, somebody is going to, even in those places, strangers are going to abuse my child. I'm not saying don't be vigilant, I'm not saying don't be protective, but I'm just trying to get at some place. Now I'm my own parent and I am my own child. So this parent is vigilant but not overly protective, and in that overly protective I start to think negative, that somebody is going to abuse me, what if somebody does this to me. Instead, what you do is very strong attitude is, the child, am never going to be abused or taken for granted or anything of that sort, any negative approach. So you can say, I'm never going to have any negative approach towards me, I'm never going to have anybody abuse me, do any fraud with me or anything. Be a very, very strong parent, your own parent, and have this attitude that I'm God's child, I'm loved and protected, and nobody is going to abuse me in any way. Okay, so once you have that power and confidence in you, and you become your own strong, super powerful parent, the protector, then you will see that there are very, very less responses from you of bitterness or of rudeness. But if it happens, chill, don't worry. Yeah. Because what is it? I have understood this one thing. If somebody understands English, you talk in English. If somebody understands Hindi, you talk in Hindi. If somebody understands French, you talk in French. If somebody understands abusive language, you talk in abusive language. Yeah. So we talk naturally, we talk the same language that people understand. So sometimes we become rude and horrible. It's okay, it's fine. Chill, relax. Atma Namaste. Love you so much. And it is okay. We don't need to feel guilty, because again, when we feel guilty, that is the only thing that is going to take us down. Yeah.
मीन्स मुझे गिल्टी तो नहीं होती है, लेकिन ऐसा 2-3 लोग बोल रहे हैं कि आप कितने रूडली बात करते हो, और मुझे जब ऐसा बोलते हैं ना, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ, भले मैं रूडली बात करती हूँ, लेकिन मुझे उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता आप मेरे बारे में क्या सोचते हो. मेरे लिए यही मतलब मैंने बहुत मेहनत करके ये रूडनेस लाई है, तो मुझे इससे मेंटेन कर, मेरे मन में ऐसे थॉट्स आते हैं. पर फिर भी आज मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है क्या मैं ज्यादा ही रूड हो गई हूँ क्या, जिनके साथ ऐसे नहीं बात करना चाहिए, क्या मैं ऐसे उन लोगों के साथ भी बात कर रही हूँ क्या?
Yes, they are expecting you to be very loving all the time, and they are expecting a lot from you, and when you are not up to their mark, they feel that you are rude.
Yes.
So for an example, if you expect a lot of love from me, and sometimes I may not be in a good mood, I may just snap, I may just be little out of place for you, and you may think that, oh, Cheryl has become rude. Yeah. So sometimes it happens, but you see how important that person is for you. If you feel that yes, this person is very important for me, important part of my life, then yes, we should change. If you feel that okay, this person is good enough person, but is not a part of my life, and that person has not been such a good person towards me, and you can handle it that way, you can just chill, relax. But if a person who is near us and dear one, if they feel that we have become rude, or if I'm in a restaurant and without any realization I talk rudely with the waiter or someone, and then I have to change my attitude. Atma Namaste.